Today you shall be watching an awesome Rubik's Cube solve
Why didn't you
by
guys
one of
want
my
this
friends.
classifier?
Wait,
You guys think she's nice?
I'm making a video right now.
Did you hear them signing up? They're trying to make a petition. Oh.
Hey guys!
What are you looking at? Oh. Watch it. Shelby's doing his Rubik's Cube.
Shut up! Shut up!
Oh, the arithmetic of it.
Yeah, we're the commentators.
Well,
He goes
Shelby,
very
solve it.
fast.
Watch him.
Watch him work. We should play the song right now. You don't gotta work.
No, you have to do the Rihanna and Drake one. That's
Oh
better.
yeah, work. Yeah, another work. Watch me do the dark.
No, there's this one guy who's like.
Well, it looks like the Rubik's Cube is finally solved. So, bye bye for now. Solved it in about 1 minute 40 seconds.